Can you see yourself in the 2020 Toyota RAV4? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, satellite radio, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.